What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have Wework, right? Ticker symbol WE. It's 1.46% up today. I'm going to be doing a quick top-down analysis. I'm going to start from this time frame, let's say weekly. On the weekly, all we have done is we have broken to the downside from here. So broke the structure there. Again, we're still in this bearish range, right? Now, let me go to the daily to see where we actually are. Because I'm expecting this to just clear all these lows. You can see we had this shift up, like two shifts. Then we maybe just tapping into some demand areas, which could actually be the case. Like, I'm not even gonna lie about that one. Yeah, but let me just actually zoom out to see where we are. Okay, so we're just falling. And for me, it just makes sense for this to just continue to fall down. Right now, we're in a downtrend. I'm gonna respect the trend, right? Now, 4 hour time frame. As you can see, we have shifted here, here. We're just moving bullish, but again, we're just tapping into this supply. If I'm not wrong, bam, right here. Let's go to the lower time frame to see any types of confirmations. For me, here nothing. 10-minute time frame. So yeah, on the 10-minute we have the break. We have the breaks even from up there. So I'm gonna up the time frame. We got the breaks here, here, here. Now we're actually just shifting a little bit above the upside. Then if we break this low right here, I will be bearish. If not, just continuation bullish to maybe around here and then still bearish. Otherwise, if this supply doesn't hold and we just break through above this high, yeah, I will genuinely be looking for upside moves. So that's my opinion. Have a wonderful day.